everyone, welcome back to the channel Positivity and Happiness. I hope you all are doing good and having a very happy and healthy life with your family, with your friends. So my friends, in today's video I'll be sharing with you all a very healthy, very delicious, high protein, well balanced, protein rich lunch platter that will help you to lose your weight, that will help you to lose your stubborn belly fat. Also my friends, this will help you to fight against COVID-19 because it's a high protein lunch. So I hope this is going to be very useful for you all. So now without any delay, let's start today's video. First of all my friends, I'll show you all the ingredients that I'll need to make today's high protein lunch. First of all, here I have cut all the fresh vegetables. Broccoli is there, cauliflower, then carrots, cabbage. So fresh veggies are there, and veggies are must in my platters. You have already seen I always love to use lot of vegetables. Here is soaked masoor dal. It's a high protein lunch, so I always love to add masoor dal in my high protein platters. And here is the lower part of cauliflower and garlic cloves, which I'll use to make the yummy masoor dal. I'll share the recipe, and it's also a immunity boosting dal recipe. You will love it. And here is chicken breast. I'll make some kebabs in olive oil, healthy kebabs. Also I have added a lot of spices and also coriander leaves and green chili into it, and also 1 egg. So now let's start the cooking. In the pressure cooker, I have added 2 dry red chili and also some kalonji seeds. And then my friends, I have added this lower part of cauliflower and also some garlic cloves. Please do try this dal recipe in your home. It's a high protein dal because cauliflower also has a lot of protein in it, and also masoor dal you already know. And you also know 1 cup of masoor dal provides you with 14 grams of protein, 8 grams of dietary fiber and 6 milligram of iron. And also my friends, here I have added cauliflower, so that's why it's even more protein rich. Here I have added some warm water and also just a little amount of turmeric powder, salt, and that's it. Now I'll wait for 2 whistles and my dal will be absolutely ready. No other spices in this dal, just turmeric powder. And here in this karhai, I have started making my sabji. In the oil, first of all, I have added panch foron. We Bengalis call it panch foron. It's basically 5 spices mix, and also 2 pieces of green chili. And then I have added all the vegetables. And now I'm mixing everything well. These veggies will be super delicious, and also I have added little amount of dhania powder, and later I'll use some turmeric powder. And these veggies will release lot of water, so in this water these veggies will be well cooked, and I'll cover the lid, and within just 5 to 10 minutes this veggie will be ready. And at last, here on the top I'm adding some black pepper powder, and here you can see my delicious protein rich dal is ready, absolutely ready, and it's so flavorful, so tasty. And do try it in your home. And on the top here I'm adding some ghee. So my sabji and dal is absolutely ready. And now here I have started making my chicken breast kebab. So first of all, in this chicken breast keema that I made in my home with the help of mixer grinder. And then I have added some spices like dry red chili powder, dhania powder, kasuri methi, and also turmeric powder. I have added chopped onion into it, and chopped green chili and chopped coriander. And now with little bit of olive oil, I'm mixing everything well. So chicken breasts are high in protein and absolutely perfect choice for your weight loss journey. 80% of the calories in chicken breast come from protein, and just 20% come from fat. And basically this is a low fat and high protein meal option. So those friends who are on your weight loss journey, please do try this recipe in your home, and also please keep chicken in your menu regularly. And here I'm making the kebabs. In the karhai I have added some olive oil, and I'm placing the kebabs carefully in the oil. So this is not a deep fried item, so it's very healthy, and I hope you will love this. Please try it in your home. And here my kebabs are getting ready. You can see after cooking one part, now I'm flipping it, and also you can see the brown spot on the kebabs, so it will be very tasty. And also it's not a deep fried item, it's very healthy again. And my friends, those friends who are vegetarian, you can try this recipe with paneer, you can try this recipe with soybean and peas, and also you can try it with a lot of other vegetables. So some other day I'll definitely share the vegetarian version of this kebab, high protein kebab with soybean. And also you can use some dal, you can use some rajma into it. So very soon I'll upload the vegetarian high protein lunch platter, so please stay tuned with my channel. And here you can see my kebabs are almost ready, and it's super delicious. You can have it in the snacks. If you are doing regular exercise, heavy exercise, then after exercise, post workout meal also, you eat in your post workout meal, you can definitely have kebabs. So yes, it's looking super healthy and delicious. Now I'll take it out, and also I'll start making my platter. And now it's time to serve the lunch platter. First of all, here I'm showing the amount of rice, small bowl of rice, and this is approximately 100 calorie rice. So here I'm putting the rice in this dish, and also one bowl of dal, which is 100 calorie, and 50 calorie sabji, and also here two chicken kebabs, which is approximately 100 calorie, and also my friends here one poached egg, which is again 70 calorie. And now here I have added some salad, and that is cucumber. Also I'll place one green chili on top of the rice. It will look good, and also it will taste super yummy. And also I'll add some lemon and some onion. So that will be my very healthy, super delicious, high protein lunch platter. I hope my Bengali friends also, they love this platter, because I made this dal and sabji in Bengali style. But my non-Bengali friends, you also should try all this recipe in your home. I hope you are going to enjoy it. So thank you so much for watching today's video. Please do take care of your health. Drink plenty of water. Always eat fresh fruits and vegetables. And do try this high protein diet, and absolutely you are going to be fit and fine and very healthy. So tata bye bye, love you.